Homes in Miami Beach are known for their stunning coastal views, breezy interiors, and contemporary architectural flair. To complement this unique lifestyle, many homeowners are upgrading to modern casement windows, a window style that not only enhances the beauty of coastal homes but also improves ventilation, energy efficiency, and durability. As design preferences evolve and Florida's coastal climate continues to demand strong, weather-resistant materials, casement windows have become a top choice for Miami Beach residences. Here are the most popular modern casement window trends shaping coastal properties today. Expansive glass for unobstructed ocean views. Modern casement windows increasingly feature larger glass panels with slimmer frames, allowing Miami Beach homeowners to enjoy wide, breathtaking views of the shoreline, palm trees, and vibrant sunsets. This minimalist trend creates a clean, upscale aesthetic that complements both luxury high-rises and coastal single-family homes. Why homeowners love it? Wider sightlines, more natural light, a sleek, modern appearance, a deeper connection to the outdoors for homes situated near the beach. Expansive casement windows turn every room into a scenic retreat. Energy-efficient glass designed for coastal heat. Miami Beach experiences strong sunshine, high humidity, and warm temperatures year-round. Modern casement windows now incorporate advanced energy-efficient glass to keep indoor spaces cool and comfortable without sacrificing natural light. Popular energy-efficient upgrades include low-E coatings to reduce heat gain, double and triple pane insulated glass, UV blocking technology to prevent fading of furniture, argon gas fills for enhanced insulation. These features help maintain ideal indoor temperatures and reduce cooling costs, an essential benefit in Florida's tropical climate. Impact-resistant designs for hurricane protection. Coastal homes must be equipped to handle strong winds and storm surges, which is why impact-resistant casement windows are now the standard for many Miami Beach properties. These windows are built with laminated safety glass and reinforced frames that can withstand flying debris and extreme pressure changes during hurricanes. Benefits include greater storm protection, improved home security, noise reduction, eligibility for insurance discounts. Impact-resistant casement windows provide peace of mind while maintaining style and elegance. Corrosion-resistant materials made for coastal living. The salty air in Miami Beach can wear down traditional window materials over time. Modern casement window trends focus on low-maintenance, corrosion-resistant frames such as vinyl, aluminum, fiberglass, composite materials. These materials resist warping, rust, fading, and moisture damage, making them ideal for long-term durability in coastal environments. Clean, contemporary hardware and finishes. Modern casement windows feature updated hardware that blends seamlessly with coastal interiors. Popular trends include matte black handles for a bold, modern look, satin nickel finishes for a coastal chic vibe, low-profile cranks that enhance minimalist design, concealed hinges for a sleek, uninterrupted frame. These hardware updates add sophistication while maintaining smooth window operation. Improved ventilation with wider opening angles. Casement windows are known for their ability to catch breezes, and modern designs offer even wider opening angles for better airflow. Perfect for capturing cool ocean breezes and reducing indoor humidity naturally. Ventilation benefits. Better air circulation, reduced reliance on air conditioning, a fresher, cleaner indoor environment, enhanced comfort during warm months. This feature makes casement windows especially valuable in Miami Beach homes where natural ventilation is part of the coastal lifestyle. Custom shapes and grouped window designs. Homeowners are increasingly choosing custom-shaped casement windows or grouping multiple casements together to create dramatic architectural statements. Trends include floor-to-ceiling casement setups, casements paired with picture windows, arched or geometric casement designs, multi-panel configurations. These combinations elevate both curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Final thoughts. Modern casement windows offer Miami Beach homeowners the perfect blend of style, durability, and coastal performance. From expansive glass panels and energy-efficient materials to impact protection and sleek hardware, today's casement window trends are designed to enhance comfort and elevate coastal living. Whether you're renovating a beachfront condo or updating a family home, casement windows deliver the beauty and functionality Miami Beach properties demand.